Hey guys, I'm here at Dollar General. Just to let you know that everything Christmas is 25 cents. Do not listen to this. Um, Papers right here. It says 50%. Do not listen to the one 70%. Everything here is 25 cents. Gift bags, tissue paper, books, reading books, great for donating, stickers, napkins, trays. Well, this one is fall, but I got a Christmas one. Um, Christmas cards. They have stockings. Look at this jumbo stocking here. Candy. How much? I got a few things in my cart already, as you can see here. They have these cute little things for the kids. Get some for my son. Aren't these cute? Got this one right here. Have a whole bunch of different activities for the kiddos. Whole bunch. Aren't these cute? Whole bunch of stuff here. Even those Christmas cookies. Let me just check the expiration date. You got Christmas cookies. So these little bags in case for the little kids for this coming Christmas. Filling up with little candies or other treats. Yeah, so just a quick video to let you guys know to go to your Dollar General, and everything here is ringing up 25 cents. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to share. Alright, bye.